Hey, Big Mike here, and I wanted to show you this junkyard. We're all about road relics and wherever we find them. This one is in Glendale, Utah. Wanted to show you this, but I got to tell you a story about how about finding it. It was quite a fun one. Almost didn't get there. Okay, guys, now I got to tell you the story about how I found this latest junkyard. I'd seen it about 2 years ago, and I went ahead and remembered it, and I knew it was somewhere the other side of Kanab. I thought it was on the edge of Kanab. It's a little bit further on that. But anyway, my wife, and she's actually over here. She won't be on camera, but what was it you said I kept telling you all the time, honey?
Just a couple more miles. Just a couple more miles. No, it's an hour north of Kanab, not around the corner.
Well, as you could say, I got in a little bit of trouble on that. I don't know if you guys can ever relate. Has your wife ever done that? But yeah, I kept saying a couple more miles, and what was it?
Men don't know how to follow or give directions. Either one.
You heard it. I don't know what to say about this. I knew it was there somewhere. We finally found it. Now, what was funny is you gave me the ultimatum on a turnaround, if I recall right, wasn't it?
Yes, you had a sign to turn around, and if he wasn't there, we're turning around.
And I was like freaking out, going, I know it's here. Because I kept telling my wife, it looks familiar, but it hadn't been there in a year and a half. And so I was kind of guessing. And, well, all I can say is that it was there. We turned around, and I looked up on my phone. I asked her to stop just for a second. She was not happy with me. That's all I can say. And when I went ahead and looked on the phone, all of a sudden I found this place showed up on the phone. And I was like, there it is. No phone number, no nothing. She tells me, call the guy. And it's like, there's no phone number. I can't call him. And I saw it. It was 3 miles away. 3.1. So it was in this little town in Glendale, Utah. So we did find it. But yeah, my wife, I guess I did promise to be good during vacation, right?
No, never.
Oh, okay. Well, I was trying to be good, but she was going to let me see this junkyard because it was only a couple more miles down the road. I'm telling you guys, after you say that 10 times, it doesn't do really well. Any last words you'd like to say about finding junkyards and all that fun stuff? She has no more comment, so that's probably a good thing. Alrighty. Back to the video. Check us out. A couple nice trucks there. I believe there are 62 Chevy pickups. I believe there's 2 of them here. Check it out. And hi everybody, Big Mike. Just so you go ahead and see, this is a lot of cool stuff out here. Bill let me look around his yard. He does sell classics. He keeps a lot of them for the family and stuff, but he does sell them. So I'll give you a city and state little area. He's in Utah. But anyway, thank you. Now we're looking around the junkyard here. There's still a lot of stuff to see, so hang in there and do me a favor if you can. We're a fairly new channel here. If you'd like us and subscribe to us, I'd really appreciate it. Helps us keep going on everything. So I do have a store in Seligman, Arizona called Route 66 Road Relics. So drop by and see me if you get a chance. But we are all about finding road relics, and I wanted to kind of show you these. Maybe there's a car out here or truck that you guys can use, and talk to Bill, and you never know what you might be able to work out. That's kind of, you know, I just love this type of stuff. I just picked up a 1949 fire truck myself. Got it from my wife's uncle, and I was really excited about that. Had 3,800 original miles, and we're going to be actually doing some videos. I got a short video on that, but we're doing a bunch more. And if you guys have ideas of places or junkyards I need to go see, hey, let me know. Send me a message or put it in the comments or whatever you guys want to do on that. But I'll just hopefully kind of bring you some good quality content here and let you see some places that maybe you can see, maybe not. But if you're like me, just checking out the old road relics. It's just a beautiful day in late October. Outside about an hour out of Kanab, and it just don't get much better. Well, if I could have got me a bunch of tailgates and grills, it could have got a little better. But hey, you can't complain. I mean, when you're looking at this type of stuff, but maybe one of these cars out here is what you guys are looking for, and your dream car or truck. So, if so, hope so. And if something does work out, hey, let us know in the comments. I'd love to see it. But it's just beautiful. They're actually not too far away. Not too far from the Grand Canyon. We were at the North Rim, and also you got Bryce Canyon, and you also have Zion National Park. So he's kind of not too far from all that stuff. So maybe you could talk your wife into doing a vacation and throw this into maybe just an idea, but don't tell her it's just a couple more miles down the road, guys, because make sure it is if you do, because it won't help. I tried. That 10th time, she just blew me off and was turning around. But luckily, saved the day. Cell phone found it, and we were good.